Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you, give me showing something. So, recently I've been making a bunch of these videos. It's, where I make it so that it sounds like it's really glitchy for a Nestle commercial. Like this. Like that. So I'm just gonna show you how to do that. All you have to do is get whatever you want to use. Like, I'm gonna, okay, I'll be right back with something to use, okay? Alright, now that I have the video I'm gonna use, I'm gonna show you how to make it. So I use something called Glitchy because I don't have very many resources to make anything with, really. I don't really have that many resources. So, okay. Then I just drag that there. Then slowly just make my way to the end. Once I make my, now I have it to the end of the row right here. And this is how you make it so that it sounds better. You make it so that it sounds like more technically glitchy. You just go backwards now. Do the opposite thing, going backwards after you're done going forwards. I'm going to show you how it sounds once I'm done with this. Okay? Yeah. Alright, so I made it to the end of the row right here. All the way to the end of the row. Now I'm actually going to show you how it actually sounds. It's going to sound odd, I know. But you might want to export it first, so because it'll be very laggy at first. So you see what it's doing. So once this is done exporting, I'll be right back once this is done exporting, or else it's gonna be too.
Alright, there's something going on with my mic, so you couldn't actually, it was making it weird, so I just decided to fix it now. So, now I'm going to show you how it sounds. Yes, it sounds this weird. I'm actually going to publish this, so, if you want to see the rest of it, just, link in the description. It's going to be Nestle, or if you don't want to go to the link and you just want to scroll through my channel, it's Nestle, it'll be Nestle Crunch Commercial 15. Nestle Crunch Commercial is, the Nestle Crunch Commercial is Glitchy, not 15, because, I made a lot of them. So, since it was being weird when I tried to show you, number 14 right here, link in the description for that also. And also, by the way, merch link down below in the description. I'm going to be putting all of this in the description right here. And now, thanks for watching, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Goodbye.